Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I will be walking you through how to use widgets in SharpCloud. As a user, by the end of this video, you'll be able to use widgets to their fullest extent in order to enhance your existing SharpCloud stories. Widgets can be used for four main things in SharpCloud. They can be text, they can show an image, they can act as a hyperlink, or they can act as an iframe for which we can embed external sources and other SharpCloud views into. Widgets are most typically used to create something like this navigation dashboard here, where I have texts paired with icons and imagery that serve as click events or hyperlinks to other views in my SharpCloud story. Let's jump into how you create and use the widget configuration menu. In order to access widgets, navigate to the right side toolbar and select widgets. You can then create a new widget. You can change a number of different settings when creating your widget, including background color. You can also add an image to your widget simply by either pasting the image in or browsing from our existing SharpCloud database or any images that you've already added to your SharpCloud. You can also edit the text and all other aspects of font, including the font itself, font size, color, whether it's bold, underlined, or italicized, and the alignment across the widget. Next, you can also determine how your widget stacks up against the rest on the view. Is it in the foreground or the background of the view? And how does it stack in order? I can choose whether or not to send my widget to the front or to the back. I can as well send it forward. I can change other visual aspects such as the roundness, and I prefer to use approximately 30 to just soften those edges a little bit. I can also change the opacity to make the widget more or less clear. And situationally, I like to use the shadow to add a little bit more emphasis around the borders of my widget. In order to add a click event, like the hyperlink you saw to another SharpCloud view, you will use this click event entry, where you can put either a full link to another website or SharpCloud view, or for your ease, you can select link to a new view, and then you'll be able to choose any of your views from your SharpCloud story. It's important to note that you can only interact with the widget when the panel on the right side is closed. So if I select widgets again, I'll now be able to click to my timeline view from the hyperlink that I've just created. Situationally, I'll want to actually embed another SharpCloud view or external source into the widget itself. And in this case, instead of using a click event to navigate there, I will use the embed URL in order to put that view into my existing widget. So for this, I'll just resize my widget a little bit. And let's say in this situation, I want to pull my timeline onto this same dashboard view. In order to do this, I can navigate to my roadmap timeline, copy the URL, and I'll navigate back to my dashboard, select my widget, and paste in the URL into the embed URL entry point. By doing this, now I have my timeline view, and you can see that I can interact with it, but only if the widgets panel is closed. That's how you go about using widgets in SharpCloud. For additional questions, please feel free to use the SharpCloud knowledge base.